Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's often used in psychology and theater, histrionic. It might look a bit complicated, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is histrionic. Let's break it down. First we have his, which sounds just like the word his in this. Next is tree, pronounced like the word tree. Then comes on, which sounds like the word on with emphasis. Finally, ick, which sounds like ick in quick. Now let's put it all together. Histrionic. Try repeating after me. Histrionic. Now a little faster. Histrionic. And at full speed. Histrionic. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Histrionic refers to dramatic, exaggerated behavior or speech that is intended to attract attention, often used in psychology to describe a personality trait or disorder. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce histrionic and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.